Have you ever struggled to connect your bank account to a new budgeting app or financial service? You enter your login information, wait, and nothing. Maybe an error message pops up saying your bank isn't supported. Frustrating, right? Well, that's where companies like Flinks come in. They act as a middleman between your bank and financial apps, securely transferring your financial data so you can take advantage of all the cool features these apps offer. But with so many banks in Canada and the US, does Flinks support yours? Let's dive into the world of open banking and Flinks Reach to see if they can be the key to unlocking a smoother financial experience. What is open banking and why does it matter? Imagine being locked into one grocery store your entire life. You can only buy what they offer and forget about comparing prices or browsing for specialty items. That's kind of how traditional banking has been. Your financial data is siloed within your bank system, limiting your options for managing your money. Open banking is like a revolution for your finances. It allows banks to securely share your financial information, with your permission of course, with authorized third-party applications. This opens a world of possibilities. Budgeting apps can automatically track your income and expenses, giving you valuable insights into your spending habits. Fintech investment platforms can analyze your financial situation and recommend personalized investment strategies. Loan comparison services can quickly find you the best interest rates on loans and mortgages, saving you money. Pretty cool, right? But for open banking to work, you need a secure and reliable way to connect your bank to these apps. That's where Flinks comes in. Flinks, your financial data bridge. Think of Flinks as a translator between your bank and your favorite financial apps. They use special tools called APIs, application programming interfaces, to communicate with your bank and retrieve your financial data securely. This data is then presented in a format that apps can understand, allowing them to function seamlessly. But with so many banks out there, does Flink have the connections to reach yours? Flinks supported banks, a breakdown. Flinks boasts impressive coverage, especially in Canada. They support over 250 million financial accounts, covering nearly 97% of the Canadian consumer market. Here's a quick rundown of some major institutions they work with in the Great White North. The Big Five banks, RBC, TD, Scotiabank, BMO, CIBC. Credit unions, Coast Capital Savings, Desjardins, Vancity. Fintech institutions, Simply Financial, Tangerine Bank. The good news for our American viewers is that Flinks is expanding its reach south of the border as well. While not as comprehensive as their Canadian offerings yet, they support several major U.S. banks, including Capital One, Wells Fargo, Chase Bank, Bank of America, Navy Federal Credit Union, PNC Bank. Finding out if Flinks supports your bank. The easiest way to see if Flinks supports your bank is to check the app you're interested in using. Most financial apps will clearly state which data aggregation services they work with, including Flinks. You can also visit the Flinks website where they maintain a list of supported financial institutions, which is updated regularly. The future of open banking and Flinks. Open banking is still a young technology, but it's rapidly changing the financial landscape. With companies like Flinks facilitating secure data connections, we can expect even more innovative financial apps and services to emerge. This will empower us, the consumers, to take greater control of our finances and make smarter money decisions. So, with Flinks as your financial data bridge, you can unlock a world of possibilities and finally ditch the frustration of incompatible bank connections. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your finances, that power can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and until next time.